post-workout. It's the unwrap. Yeah. I be wrapped up in this motherfucker. Alexa, stop. Oh. Wrapped all the way up. Layers. We in here working. Leave that. I don't really be documenting all this extra stuff here, but you know what? Why not, man? I gotta get it together though. I ain't even going front. In the middle of working out, I started thinking about mad people who turned their back on me and played me, shaded me. I say thank you. You definitely pushed me about an extra 30, 40. You know what I mean? I just don't want to be inspired by pain though. So I guess I'm gonna have to work on that part. Whew. You know what I mean? Crazy though. Crazy shit, crazy. Still got the big belly, but we working on that motherfucker. I got that bitch wrapped up like a motherfucking lunch sandwich. Woo! Hard work. Ugh. Shit. Don't worry. What you see now, gone soon enough. Hard work. Straight up. Ring this motherfucking ass. And I ain't gonna stop either. I ain't gonna record it all. I'm gonna just let y'all see. I mean, I've been at it for a couple of weeks. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still big belly status. Big boy still in the game. Probably gonna always be a big boy when it's said and done. But it ain't gonna stop. Shit, I done went out and bought workout equipment. So you know it ain't gonna stop. More than just a workout uniform. I got motherfucking gym equipment in the house. Who trying to work out? Who trying to come get sweaty with your boy KO? Yeah, boy. Another day, another grind, another sweat. You know what I mean? For real, for real. I'm out of here. Y'all go. Have the best day you can have. And if you can't have a good day, don't go fucking up nobody else's. Peace out.